We've had portable power stations in the past, mostly used as oversized power banks for weekend getaways or the occasional camping trip. But as these devices become more and more powerful and versatile, our usage has shifted dramatically. What used to be a nice-to-have backup is now an essential part of our day-to-day routine, whether it's for outdoor adventures, emergency backup, or even off-grid setups. Enter the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, a high-capacity, portable power station that has proven itself not just during blackouts or travel, but as a critical tool for running appliances, tools, and entire systems both at home and on the road. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get through some quick specs. For the actual battery capacity, it gets a 2048 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery capacity, which is expandable to 6144 watt-hours, more on that later. We also get a max output of 2400 watts, which can surge up to 3100 watts via the X-Boost technology in this power station. Charging options include AC wall outlet, car charging, and solar, up to 1000 watts. Again, more on that later. In terms of charging cycles, the Delta 2 Max is rated for more than 3000 full charge cycles, which is a lot. Its weight is no joke at 22.7 kilos or 50 pounds. And yes, we do get app support via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth with the EcoFlow app. So at over 22 kilos, the Delta 2 Max isn't the lightest power station around, but it's not meant to be your average just for camping unit. This thing means business. So for ports, we get 4 AC outlets here at the rear. That's capable of up to 2400 watts total with a 4800 watt surge. That's these 4 circles over here. We also get 4 USB-A ports, 2 with fast charge over here, as well as 2 USB-C ports that can both output 100 watts each. We also get a car power output here at the rear that's hiding behind this seal, which is basically your regular 12-volt socket, as well as 2 DC 5521 outputs over here that can output 38 watts each, which is more than enough to run a wide range of devices from phones and laptops to more power-hungry appliances like microwave ovens, air conditioners, and even power tools like circular saws or welding machines. One of the standout features of the EcoFlow line has always been fast charging, and the Delta 2 Max does not disappoint. With a regular wall outlet, it fully charges in just 80 minutes via the 1800 watt AC input at the rear. But again, 80 minutes, that's like less than 2 hours. Imagine that. And even a quick 30-minute top-up gets you to around 50%, which can come in real handy and clutch for last-minute trips. With that said, even when we're already on the road, users can just charge up the power station using just the vehicle's 12-volt socket with the EcoFlow car charging cable or anything alike, which is sold separately. And even a 12 or 24-volt battery, if you have a spare one of those lying around anywhere in your home to bring with you to your trip. We paired ours with the EcoFlow 220-watt next-gen portable solar panel, which is over here, and we'll show you more of this in our B-rolls. We got around 188 watts of solar input during testing, which was enough to fully charge the Delta 2 Max in roughly 4 to 9 hours, depending on sunlight conditions or panel positioning. The next-gen 220-watt solar panel is compact, foldable, and built for real-world durability. However, with support for up to 1000 watts of solar input, which we can get by buying and adding more panels to the Delta 2 Max, we can cut that time even further. What's more is, we could even daisy chain AC input and solar charging for even faster charging results, with solar taking priority. For real-world estimates of how long the Delta 2 Max can power common devices, we can leave a 40-watt electric fan plugged into the Delta 2 Max for 43 hours, a 120-watt refrigerator for 14 hours, a 5-watt LED bulb for 410 hours, a Wi-Fi router for 174 hours, an iPhone 16 rated for 132 full charges, and a MacBook Air M4 gets us 38 full charging cycles. Our boss Abe was able to run 2 LED bulbs and a Wi-Fi router from dusk to dawn at his farm in New Clark City without issues. He even had enough juice left to charge several phones and his laptop too. And for those with higher energy needs, you can expand capacity of the Delta 2 Max up to 6,144 watt-hours by adding 2 Smart Extra batteries, which are also sold separately. They're basically extra batteries for the Delta 2 Max, which are in the same form factor as the Delta 2 Max but without all the ports. The EcoFlow Delta 2 Max comes with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, so we can monitor and control the unit via the EcoFlow mobile app. This gives us real-time info on input and output wattage, remaining battery life, charging time, and more. This thing can also be used as a UPS, short for uninterruptible power supply, which means it can automatically kick in during power outages or brownouts, ensuring a seamless switch to backup power for our essential devices like our computers. Okay, if you've made it this far into the video, you're already probably wondering, aside from brownouts or power outages, what else is a power station good for? Well, there's camping. Abe actually brought the Delta 2 Max with him on a trip to Sagada. He used the Delta 2 Max to power everything: phones, laptops, portable fans, even a water heater and induction cooler. There's just something incredibly convenient about having reliable AC power in the middle of nowhere. We've also used it for out-of-town team buildings to power a projector during movie nights and presentations. It even kept our Starlink internet online for over 14 hours on a single charge. Abe also used the Delta 2 Max to power an inverter welding machine and an angle grinder while installing new gates in the farm, with no need for extension cords or a gas generator, which also means no noise. And it's also probably the perfect power bank to bring and level up those car or BGC parking lot dates. Wrapping this up, the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max is one of the most capable power stations we've ever tested. Whether you're a weekend travel warrior, someone prepping for blackouts, building an off-grid bunker, or just want to level up your parking lot dates, this power station has you covered. It is not cheap, but you're getting fast charging, a high capacity, smart features, and excellent real-world performance. If you're someone who needs serious power you can rely on, the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max is worth every peso. At the time we recorded this video, the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max is available from the brand's official Shopee store for 64,590 pesos, and the 220-watt next-gen single-sided solar panel accessory can be had for 16,990 pesos. So what do you guys think of the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max? And also the solar panel attachment. Are you guys thinking of getting one of these in the future, or planning to already get one because you guys love to camp or just need one in your provincial homes? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video, found it informative, educational, or a little fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified for future uploads. Be sure to visit ecotech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. I'm Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.